this knowledge. The last word, the most divine 10 lettered word. Guess what? The most divine 10 lettered word. Guess what? The most divine 10 lettered word. हरे कृष्णा. अभी क्या सब मैं बोला ना, तुक्का लगाएंगे सब एक एक करके. The most divine 10 lettered word is called जय श्री श्री राधा गोपीनाथ ललिता विशाखा की जय, श्री निताय गौर चंद्र की जय, श्री गोपाल जी भगवान की, श्रील प्रभुपाद की, गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि. What is the most divine 10 lettered word? Connection. I was sitting at the Vienna International Airport waiting to board a flight to go to Florence. And my flight was delayed, so I had to call the people in Florence. I'm coming a little later. And I wanted to call this gentleman in Florence. Guess what? एक भी डंडा नहीं नेटवर्क का. कभी कभी लोग ऐसा खिड़की से बाहर हेलो और रेंज ही नहीं आता उधर, हेलो हेलो करता है उधर, no network. And I saw an elderly lady, about 40 years old, from 60, 65 years old, aristocratic, dressed very well. And she had a Nokia, run-down Nokia, Purana, Khatara. And she used to, like, you have to be a wrestler, Pehlwan to type a message, And she was sitting there, but she had full range. And for 45 minutes, she's talking on the phone. तब मैं बोला मेरा फोन इतना स्मार्ट है, लेकिन जब चाहिए फोन नहीं कर सकता. और उसका Nokia. What is important on a phone? Apps or connectivity? Connectivity. Whether it's a smartphone or a not so smartphone, stay connected. That's what the phone is meant for. और जब बच्चे लोग फोन करते हैं ना, कॉल ड्यूरेशन समरी देखना है आपको. ड्यूरेशन, कॉल ड्यूरेशन समरी. बॉय टू मॉम 50 seconds. Boy to dad 30 seconds. Boy to girl 1 hour 23 minutes 59 seconds. Girl to girl 5 hour 29 minutes 59 seconds. Girl to boy missed call. Wife to husband disconnected. And husband to wife call waiting still. I'll tell you, some of us are smart, some of us are not so smart. Some of us are iPhones, charismatic, good looking, successful, and some of us are Nokia. बोलते समय भी बोलते आज आपके हॉल में स्नैक्स मिलेगा क्या? हॉल में स्नैक्स मिलेगा क्या के लिए? आज आपके हॉल में स्नैक्स मिलेगा ना? बोला हॉल में तो स्नैक्स ही मिलेगा ना, और क्या मिलेगा? We are not so charismatic. Don't worry, smart or not so smart doesn't matter. Stay connected, and the way to stay connected is yoga. The Bhagavad Gita speaks about yoga. Yoga means the process of connection. Like you use a phone to connect to someone, Krishna mentions the path of yoga in the Gita, and the path of bhakti yoga is the means to connect to Krishna. This phone, full range everywhere, full network everywhere, no call jamming, no charges. Pray, connect. Because all 9 will only be possible if the 10th is in place. पहला 9 की जो है हैप्पीनेस का, वो तब तक नहीं मिलेगा जब तक 10वां है. और कनेक्शन विद कृष्णा इज पावरफुल. देयरफॉर वी चांट हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. Pursue that connection, ladies and gentlemen. And therefore it was His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, the founder of ISKCON, who went overseas and made the Krishna consciousness movement a local word for everyone. People knew the process to connect. People knew this philosophy. People knew these golden keys of how to remain happy in their lives. And therefore, in summary, the most selfish 1-letter word, what should we do with it? The most satisfying 2-lettered word, what should we do with it? Poisonous 3-lettered word, what shall we do with it? The most most used 4-letter word, what do you do with it? 5-letter? I wish to thank you all very, very much for your kind attention and patient hearing. Thank you very much.